So, here we are at Fun Spot Kissimmee, enjoying wonderful views and the wonderful Florida weather.
The newest addition to the Fun Spot America parks, Up and Overboard, a North American record holder. This thrilling ride features two pendulums swinging back and forth, each sending riders closer and closer to the pinnacle point of going completely upside down.
There we go. So the two ride vehicles are actually going to swing back and forth against each other. This is a twin pendulum, and it is the tallest one in all of North America. So you can head here to the Kissimmee Park and go on a record breaker. And get some views of that bright blue sky. Maybe a bit of sun too. This is surprisingly smooth. There's no jarring, twisting. I mean, of course, we're now upside down, but the back and forth is very smooth. It's not rickety at all. And there we've got a wonderful view of the concrete. Holy smokes. Woo! And now, I think this might be the time we're fully making it. Oh yeah. Woo! So, here we are at Fun Spot Kissimmee, enjoying wonderful views and the wonderful Florida weather and the blue sky. Woo! We got Mind Blower. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Whoa, stopping midair. That is, that's fun. I didn't know we were gonna stop that quick. You definitely get the stomach drop feeling. And there we go. That is Up and Overboard, the newest addition here to Fun Spot America, the Kissimmee Park. Record breaker for the North America. A lot of fun and very smooth. Like, this is not a ride that I think would make someone sick very easily, unless of course you don't like your stomach dropping out. But the actual going around part, it was like a nice swing.